I opened my first stocks and shares ISA almost a year ago in April 2019. I'd had cash ISAs before, but as everyone knows, interest rates are at historic lows and I wanted to invest to hopefully get a better return on my money over the coming decades. My choice was very much dictated by how little the investment would cost me in both time and money. I very much wanted a set and forget investment. My first investment was actually a workplace pension, which I started when I got my first job after university, but it took me several years to recognise that as an investment. The pension aside, my first investment was in a low-cost, globally diversified multi-asset fund. I invest monthly for three reasons. First, it makes the most sense for me cost-wise, it's affordable. Second, markets are moving all the time up and down, so when market prices are falling, you are buying more units at a lower price, and then when they're high, it smooths out and alleviates the ups and downs of the market. Third, psychologically, it's much better for me to invest regularly, little and often, rather than seeing a hard-earned sum that I've accrued over the years wax and wane. I'm not constantly checking how well my investment is doing, mainly because I don't want to be distracted by market noise. For example, at the moment the coronavirus is impacting global markets, and I accept that investments go up and down, but generally over time markets rise. Another element is lack of time. I'd like to invest in investment trusts because of their structure, and over the long term they appear to offer better returns, say for example over 10 years. I'd also like to invest ethically, but it's vital that beginners do their research on this because it's not as straightforward as it appears, and there are many ways to interpret ethical investing.